What it is, YouTube, you know who it is. It's your boy, the Moose. Let's kick it.
It likes to run, it loves to jump, no one could ever stop. A big or small party, it will be there, no matter where or when. A moose on a loose, a moose on a loose, it'll be party all day long. A moose on a loose, a moose on a loose, what are you waiting for?
Okay, so I'm just going to break this down real quick. I'm preparing for a karaoke gig on Sunday. The gig will be from 2 p.m. to 6. The movers on the front will not be joining me. They'll be staying home. I only set these up to get an idea of what it's kind of going to look like during the prom outside. Now, at the prom outside, it'll be from 7:30 to 11. So I don't have no problems with having the movers out there. They're going to make a great, awesome view. Now, I will set them up so they'll be more towards the audience, and we'll go from there. But on how to do that, I'll be using sound switch. The lights on the tree actually are beautiful. I have them set up. Now, the deal is with that is I can change the colors. I can change anything within Sound Switch and make it work really good. Now, the wireless dongles will be here today. So the garage is a mess because I didn't put the lights down. I kept them up because I wanted to keep them up so I can go ahead and check them out today. I will be doing a test on the lights and not. I'll have to have music going for Sound Switch to work. Now, actually, technically, I really don't. I'm trying to learn Sound Switch now, so the presentation wise, I'm trying to learn all that. So once I get all that and the melodies set up with Sound Switch, I'll be good to go. I have to keep on working with the program because you know DMX, it's kind of tricky. So that's being said about the DMX. I'm going to be going over this wireless dongles. I'm going to show you them. We're going to get them too. When the uplights get here, we're going to talk about them and everything else. I have uplights coming. They're battery-powered uplights. So I'll have a total of 9 uplights. 3 of them are wired, and the other one aren't wired. So what'll happen is I will put the ones that are wired in the room still until I get the other set, which I'm about to get another set after I get these taken care of. So I want to see how they work, and if they work good, I'll be ordering another 6. That's a guarantee. I want to have at least 18 or 24 uplights for my weddings and everything else. Man, it's booming. It's starting to boom. It's starting to get there. We do remember we are in a pandemic still, so in a pandemic state. So just remember that. Don't let your guards down. Mask up, hands up. Make sure you wash them. That's just a pro tip. And I should put that out that I know what I'm talking about because I have 2 nurses that live in my house, and it's far from over. But we need to be persistent about that. Masked up. Now, I don't care about the clients. The clients, it's their thing. But as a DJ and being a professional, you have to remember guidelines. Because if something does happen and the client comes back on you, guess what? You are protected because you have that mask. And that is why having YouTube as your friend. Because guess what? 95% of the evidence is shown. So just a pro tip. Without further ado, I'm going to go roll into the video. Now, YouTube might strike it. And if it does, I'll play as much as I can. So if the video doesn't stay up long, it's because of the strike. I'm going to pull the video off and put a new video up to place it. Check it out.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do a sound check today of my karaoke. There's a lot of songs to choose from. But let's go into the actual program here and type in, oh good, it's hard to hear. Okay, so we're going to get into a favorite here. One of my favorites. This is another one that I like to sing a lot. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is by Leonard Skinner, Sweet Home Alabama. Turn it up. Big wheels keep on turning, carrying me home to see my king. Who they kneel, put her down. But I hope you will remember, a southern man don't need them around anyhow. Sweet home Alabama, where the skies are so blue. Sweet home Alabama, yes, Lord, I'm coming home to you. Here I come. Blue. Sweet home Alabama, Lord, I'm coming home. Sweet home Alabama, oh yeah, Lord, I'm coming home to you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, YouTube, there you go.
I hope you enjoyed it. Be on the lookout for that gig log coming up on Sunday, well, Monday morning, and be on the lookout for Manic Music Monday. This Monday we are going to be talking about music. We're going to talk about the sound switch and the music and how it worked out for me on Sunday. So that's going to be the sound switch music, Manic Music Monday. We're going to talk about country music. So be on the lookout for that. Subscribe to my channel. Can't put it over God. Subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and ring that bell for notifications for video like this and countless others. And remember, hit that like. Hit that like button. And go ahead and share this video if you found somebody would like to see a little bit of karaoke. Now, I like to sing solo. Solo, you can't hear me, but I love doing karaoke events. They're so fun. If you have never done a karaoke event, do one and see what I'm talking about. Peace. Song, ready? The stars are Okay, that worked.